So to start with, I need to locate the lid. The lid has the biggest opening section. And you also need these pieces. You need the large corner pieces that are solid, the 4 little L corner pieces, and these 4 pieces as well. So turn the lid upside down. Then using the larger corner pieces, gently place them in the corners. There's 3 little bits that stick up, so just make sure it just pushes into there. And do that for each corner of the lid. You locate the long back piece. The back piece hasn't got any door that opens, and put it along this side, so you've still got the door that opens like that on the lid. You've got the back piece. So you place that into there, just fitting it between the 2 grooves along the back. It'll be quite a nice tight fit. There we go, that's in. And then find the smaller side pieces, put them on both sides, doing exactly the same thing, just making sure they fit at the back of the grooves. And your side panel in place. You locate your little corner bracket and then push that down till it clicks on the one side and clicks on the other. And just work on round using the other side piece and the front piece, just making sure they click in place like that and that they're flat. Do that for all pieces. Make sure when you put the door on, it will open the right way, because obviously you're upside down at the moment. As you can see, all 4 corners are in place, and that actually stabilises it now as well. So next you need to find these 4 pieces. That's actually a little thumb area for when you need to push it into place. So you need to go into the corners using these 2 bits, and these holes are lined over the other holes that are already in place. So as you can see, I'm just lining it up. The holes are filled by the pieces on the underside, and I'm just going to push it down using the thumb slot, and it clicks into place. So I'm going to do that for all 4 corners. So turn your unit back over now so that lid's on the top and your little opening door's back where it should be. Locate the black oval piece, it says 2 of them. Just turn it over and have a little look. You've got 2 little arms here and a little ledge. So with the ledge, you attach it to the second bar down of the front piece, and then you bring it up and over the top bar of the front piece and the very last bar of the lid, and then push it down. Just hold in the shape of the cage while you do it. Just move the arm to the side and slide it on to the little bits at the back. And that's that one done. This gives it a nice firm grip. And then repeat the same in exactly the same position but on the back section. So next of all, you move the top piece onto the base. You just line it up in position. These are these 2 little sort of grips. Count from the very bottom bar up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and hook it over the 4th one. You'll feel it's almost tucking under the plastic ledge, and you just push it into place, and then repeat the same on the other side. So the next one, you take your plastic hay manger, you just attach it to the side. You can change this at a later date, just put it in position for now. A bit higher there. So the last 2 pieces you have are these little sliders. These actually stop the front door opening when you don't want it to. So I'm just going to push that shut for now. So you just go down about one bar clear of this. Push them between the 2 bars. You just have to push it behind the bar like that. You do the same for the other side. And that's it. Finished.